Good morning, everybody. This is Tim at T3 with On the Wire. Let's take a quick look at what we're looking at this morning. Pretty light morning. Had a couple of quick trades that worked out. Nothing in silver so far. We're going to talk about that real quick. Couple of light upgrades, downgrades, and that's about it. So let's get to it. Take a look at what I'm watching. Let's get over here to the blog. Now remember, guys, just as a quick reminder, every morning prior to doing this video, I update my blog and get it posted. It's very, very light. Just on a quick note there, I don't pump it up with all the upgrades, downgrades. It's very, very select on tradable items that I find that I like, that I want to trade, that are active. I'm not just copy and pasting and taking, a lot of crap. So, be advised. There's, there's several arguments. There's tradability arguments. There's good reasons why we're pulling them there. And let's take a quick look at the very few that we do have up here this morning. Molycorp individually here, price target raised to 125 from 85 at Dahlman Rose, who I don't even really know, second or third tier firm at best. Let's take a quick look at Molycorp pre-market here. Remember, we're looking at basically a 3-day, 5-minute chart here. Here's the pre-market activity on the right. So far, Molycorp, here was, when I got in this morning, this is 7 to 8. This is after 8 o'clock wave. It was up a little bit, filled a little bit on some very, very light pre-market volume. But let's watch this Molycorp here, see what it does, see if we get any decent activity. Let me take a quick look at the daily. Here's the daily right here on Molycorp. Has this nice trending daily. That's a big, big upgrade. Remember, there's a lot of other firms that upgraded it back in here. I believe several white shoe firms with $90 and $100 price targets. All right, I'm going to have to go back and double check that research. But at any rate, Molycorp looks like it's about ready. I know Mark's been pretty bullish on this one as well. Getting back over here, Arch Coal, ACI, upgraded hold to buy at Brean Murray. I don't know. The only reason why I put this one on here is because Mark has been saying to pay attention to stocks like me and the coal sector. I know Wilt is a big IBD candidate. Let's take a quick look at ACI. Right here, looking at coal stocks a little bit more. ACI, no pre-market liquidity, really kind of a sloppy daily. I really don't like it, but it is a big upgrade with the price target from 32 to 43, right? Significantly higher from where this daily chart is now. So keeping an eye on that. RIMM here, Baird jumps on the bandwagon after last week's debacle, after Barron's, after yesterday. 41 from 47. That's good, though, that they had it at 47, right? They get a good mark for that they had a low price target. Now they hate it even more. The daily is, it has some issues here. The intraday breaking down new lows. Watch for RIMM to continue. That's definitely, I haven't added. I had that one on my ticker. Moving forward here, finishing up. That was RIMM. Let's talk about Pergo. This is the one thing that I did trade this morning. This PRGO here, you could see, here are the dots. You could see the dots on where I traded it. I bought it on the headline. The headline said that it raised and it was down, I guess with the overall market and whatnot. So it said that it raised. It had decent guidance and it raised. I think the trade's over. It wasn't that great, but it was good. I was able to get sales. Look at those. Those are nice sales up there. Very, very light, hidden. Very, very light volume in and out on that one. But I'll keep it on my radar. It does have a decent daily, whatever. See, nothing stellar, but still good numbers nonetheless. Moving forward here, last thing I want to talk about is silver. Scott Redler spent a lot of time on it. I'm noticing silver right here. Oh, and by the way, let's do a quick recap. Yesterday, right, on the wire here, I mentioned gold and silver, and I said we kind of like them here. With the backstops, this was spot silver 45, right? Now we're much lower than that. But here, yesterday morning, spot silver 45, backstop, and gold 1500 backstop. That was a nice place to be for the gap fill towards the upside. So a lot of traders caught that. I know a lot of traders, although I didn't participate on the desk here. I remember Mark Sperling, in particular, calling this thing out short. He liked the shape. He was getting involved. These guys had this here. I was not involved anymore too much, mostly just involved in the morning. All right, but getting back to today's events, Here it is right here. If you notice, it just barely bounced off the 21 EMA on the daily. So that's something noteworthy. We'll see if that recent candle low holds. I'm going to be looking for that to see if I can find a decent place on a pull-in to possibly go long silver with a low risk reward. Remember, it's been down hard 1, 2, 3, 4 days now, right? At whatever, 42 from 48. So that's a good 10% correction there, right? So I'll be watching SLV, all right? So that's about it. Really not too much. I got some small profits from the pre-market. Going to try and hold on to those, see how things settle. And mostly today, I'm going to be kind of on the sidelines, less active, just looking for that one really good pullback in silver to possibly trade it long. If it continues low trends, I'm just going to stay away. That's about it, guys. I'll see everybody. Once again, it's Tim at T3. And I'll see everybody on the radio. All right? Have a great day trading.